Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Pisces, water sign. This is weekly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Pisces, water sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? What are the messages for you and what's going on? What's going on, Pisces? Lot of thinking. You are thinking about someone or something a lot. This could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Maybe you have options. One person in this connection have options. I think it's you have options in this connection. And King of Pentacles. So you are more concentrating on your finances and career. You are concentrating on your abundance. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Five of Cups, Death and Page of Swords. So there is some loss. Either it could be material or it could be relationship, whatever. You feeling sad. If you are in, I think you are in separation with your person. For some, lots of you are in separation or no contact situation with your person and you're feeling sad. And I think for some it was ended between both of you. Maybe it could be temporary, but you are both are in no contact situation right now. But there is some spying. You may be spying on them or they may be spying on you. There is spying and wandering going between both of you. But you are feeling sad. Then present, Four of Swords, Wheel of Fortune, Four of Pentacles. So you are not opening emotionally to anyone. You are holding back emotionally. You are protecting your emotions because you are holding back here, Four of Pentacles. And because Four of Swords, you want to heal from this loss, from this sadness. You want to heal yourself, Four of Swords energy. You are doing meditation and healing yourself. Things are turning out into your favor. Maybe you are not seeing it, but it will. Definitely things are turning out into your favor. The Wheel of Fortune is here. Then future, Three of Pentacles, Nine of Wands and Two of Cups is here. Because why you are feeling so sad without this person? Because this person is your soulmate. This is a mutual love between both of you. There is a strong bond between both of you, Pisces. And Three of Pentacles, I think there is no partnership in this connection. One person giving so much, but another person is only taking. So maybe right now you are guarded up, but thinking about them a lot. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. All signs are here, but lot of earth energy and water energy is here. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Seven of Wands. Maybe they will fight for your attention, Pisces. Your person may be a fire sign. So let's see your person feelings towards you. King of Cups. Four of Swords. Yeah, again Seven of Wands. I think they won't let you go easily. So I think they have so much love for you, King of Cups. But right now they are not talking to you. They are also very hurt. Maybe you hurt them. They are also undergoing some meditation. They want to heal their self also. Because that's why they are not talking to you. Maybe they are doing meditation to heal their self. But they have so much love for you. And they won't let you go easily. And Knight of Pentacles, yes, they want to come back, but it is very slow moving energy. But this person is very serious about you. So let's see their actions towards you. Pisces, your person actions towards you. Emperor, Knight of Cups, yeah, they have 10 of Swords, and Chariot, Ace of Pentacles. They really want to take this relationship to next level. They're taking it very slow but surely, because maybe maybe there are some ego problems between both of you, but they have so much love for you, because King of Cups and Knight of Cups, they really want to offer this love to you. Even though they are in this situation, 10 of Swords energy, they still want rebirth in this connection. They still can't let you go. Yeah, because they are in this pain, but they still want rebirth in this connection. They really love you, they really like you, Pisces, and they won't let you go easily. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Again, this is general reading, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates, messages. Otherwise, because total reading may or may not resonate to everyone, because this is not a personal reading. And the person involved in this connection could be Cancer also. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, there is a lot of issues going between both of you, but still there is a lot of passion between both of you. And the person involved in this connection could be Leo also. So they're very passionate about you and they're getting this strength to come back, because right now your person feeling this way. 10 of Swords energy. Yeah, there is a lot of issues, lot of drama going. Still they want rebirth in this connection. And you are getting success for your hard work and some appreciation for your hard work, Pisces. 6 of Wands energy. Maybe you walked away from this connection. Maybe you neglecting this connection. And strength, maybe you also working on your self-growth. One person is walked away in past. But there is, for some, there is union is coming. One person is manifesting the other person, because 4 of Wands with the Magician. So one person in this connection are both manifesting this union, this celebration, this marriage. Yeah, definitely they're coming back. There is a lot of passion, but they're taking it very slow, Pisces. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Pisces. You stand by your power. Yeah, they're coming back. There is reunion, and right now maybe you are spiritually awakening. You are not talking to anybody. So let's see your person overall energy. Death. I think they know it was ended between both of you, because for some, definitely the death with 5 of Cups, they're feeling sad. They're undergoing some tower moment. And waiting. Maybe they are waiting to come back for the right moment or for the right time. Definitely they realize that it was ended between both of you, because Tower, 5 of Cups, the death, and 3 of Wands, waiting game. For some it could be long distance relationship. But they want to come back and they still want rebirth in this connection. There is a lot of passion between both of you. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Passion, yeah, I already told you, lot of passion. Third party involved. For some, I can't let you go. I already so many times told in this reading, they can't let you go easily. Retreat. I'm afraid to tell you how I feel. These are your person feelings. And second chance. So they retreat. Reconciliation for some third party situation involved. Third party means for some family issues, family member, friend, it could be. And passion For some, it could be another extramarital affair also. So I'm afraid to tell how I feel. I can't let you go. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you Pisces. Conclusions are within reach. Full moon eclipse. So there are some answers you need are coming. Conclusions are within reach. Very soon you will get your answers. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.